Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best closed-back headphones that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Beyerdynamic. The Beyerdynamic DT1770 Pro are the best closed-back headphones we've tested. These high-end closed-back headphones have excellent build quality and come with a durable but bulky carrying case to help protect them when you're not using them. Unlike their more affordable sibling, the Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro, they also have a detachable audio cable, so you can easily replace it if it gets damaged. Thanks to their plush ear cup padding, they're very comfortable, making them a solid choice for long listening sessions. They have a well-balanced sound with an exceptionally flat mid-range, so vocals and instruments are clear and accurate. Although they lack a bit of low bass, the rest of the bass is fairly neutral, resulting in adequate punch and boom. Their treble response is underemphasized, hurting the detail of vocals and instruments. While their soundstage feels unnatural, which is normal from closed-back headphones, they can still passively block out a fair amount of ambient chatter. They don't leak that much audio at high volumes. At number 4. Beyerdynamic. The best upper mid-range closed-back headphones we've tested are the Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro. While it may seem like a big jump in price points between these over-ears and our top pick, most closed-back audiophile headphones tend to fall into or around this price bracket. Even though they're not as well built as the Beyerdynamic DT1770 Pro, these comfortable over-ears also offer very similar performance. Vocals and lead instruments sound clear, accurate, and detailed, while a bump in the mid-treble makes sibilants like cymbals bright, which is good if you prefer a more analytical sound to pick out imperfections. They have a wide passive soundstage, and your audio seems like it's coming from speakers placed around you rather than from inside your head. While they're not designed for blocking significant background noise, they can still cut down a decent amount of ambient chatter around you, which is handy if you're listening to audio in a shared space. They have a great build quality and feel sturdy and dense. However, their audio cable isn't detachable, so if you damage it, you'll need to replace the entire unit. If you're looking for closed-backs with multiple detachable audio cables, it's worth checking out the Audio-Technica ADHM50X. However, their passive soundstage doesn't feel as wide or spacious, and they don't block out as much background noise. At number 3. Sony. The best mid-range closed-back headphones that we've tested are the Sony MDR7506. Going down in price means making some sacrifices in build quality and comfort to still get a good sound. While these retro chic over-ears have a cheap and plasticky frame, especially compared to the sturdy Beyerdynamic DT770 Pro, they're some of the best studio headphones we've tested, thanks to their balanced sound. They're decently comfortable, thanks to their lightweight frame, and they have a coiled audio cable, so you don't have to worry about cable tangles. These over-ears have a bump of extra bass to add extra thump, punch, and boom to mixes, while another peak in the treble range makes vocals and instruments bright and sparkly. They also have a very neutral and flat mid-range, so vocals and instruments are accurately reproduced. That said, their passive soundstage feels small, and sound seems like it's coming from inside your head rather than from speakers placed in the room around you. They also struggle to block out mid-range noise like ambient chatter, which can be troublesome if you want to listen to audio around others. At number 2. Audio-Technica. The best closed-back headphones at the budget level that we've tested are the Audio-Technica ADHM20X. At the low end of the price spectrum, build quality tends to take a big hit. These headphones are no exception as their frame feels cheap, especially compared to the Sony MDR7506, while their exposed audio cable makes them more prone to damage over time. However, their warm sound profile is worth considering if you want audiophile-grade headphones at a more digestible price. Although they lack a bit of thump and rumble, their bass range has a bump in mid to high bass to add punch and warmth to your mix. It doesn't clutter or muddy the mid-range, so vocals and instruments remain clear, present, and detailed in your tracks. Their treble is quite recessed, and sibilance-like cymbals are especially dull. These over-ears also struggle to block background noise, which can be frustrating if you're listening to audio in a moderately noisy room. At number 1. Sony. If you're looking for over-ears that you can use anywhere and everywhere, the Sony WH-1000XM4 wireless are the best casual-use closed-back headphones we've tested. These Bluetooth-enabled over-ears have a sturdy-feeling plastic construction and a comfortable fit, with ample padding and a lightweight design. They also supply upwards of 37 hours of continuous playback time on a single charge, which will be more than enough for a couple of days. They have a highly effective active noise cancelling (ANC) system that filters out a remarkable amount of ambient noise, from the low rumble of bus and plane engines to the high-pitched hum of an AC unit, not to mention background chatter from people nearby. They have a bass-heavy default sound profile, which will please fans of EDM or hip-hop but can also muddy vocals and lead instruments. The Sony Headphones Connect app also features a couple of EQ presets and a graphic EQ to fine-tune your listening experience. While you won't experience too much fatigue wearing them, if comfort is a top priority, you may prefer the Bose Quiet Comfort 45/QC45 wireless instead. They're lighter and clamp onto your head less tightly, which helps make them more comfortable for most people. While they perform similarly overall, the Bose aren't as well built and don't block out as much noise. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.